Welcome to Zhangsheng's Wood Chipper World. I'm Christina from Zhangsheng Overseas Business Department. Today, let me introduce our ZS series wood chipper. Follow me.
Equipped with 102 horsepower, 4-cylinder diesel engine, the Model 1000 wood chipper can chip wood logs up to 230 millimeters and reach the capacity up to 4 tons per hour. The chipper has a hydraulic forced feeding system. When feeding, the press roller is driven by a hydraulic motor to force the wood into the crushing chamber. The chipper is equipped with SKF bearings. Here is the oil filling hole. The cutting drum has fan blades. When crushing, a strong airflow generated by the rotating drum blows the wood chips out through the discharge pipe. Turn the key to the power on position and pull the throttle to start the engine. Close or release the clutch as indicated in the figure. The panel of the chipper displays the working status in real time. Rotor speed is also sensitive to display chipper workload. The emergency stop function is included. By the handrail, you can control pressure roller forward, reverse and stop manually. You can also control the pressure roller forward, reverse and stop manually by the screw. The pressure roller can also be stopped easier by the long switch. Lighting lights, profile lights and taillights can be manually controlled. The frame is equipped with a lifting rocker which can adjust the height freely. Here is the diesel engine maintenance position.